Saturn is a giant, a true behemoth in the vast expanse of our solar system. It is a gas giant, the second largest planet in our solar system, only surpassed by Jupiter in size and mass. This majestic world is best known for its rings, which are a defining feature that sets it apart from all other planets. They are bright and vast, easily visible even with a small telescope, captivating the imagination of astronomers and stargazers alike. Saturn's rings make it the crown jewel of our solar system, a celestial wonder that continues to inspire awe and curiosity. When we look at Saturn, we are filled with awe, marveling at its beauty and the mysteries it holds. How did this planet get its rings? What cosmic events led to their formation? What are they made of? Are they remnants of a moon or debris from a comet? These questions have puzzled scientists for centuries, driving them to explore and understand this enigmatic planet. We are still searching for answers today, using advanced technology and innovative methods. The exploration of Saturn has revealed many secrets, but there is still so much more to learn. We have sent robotic spacecraft on daring missions, braving the harsh conditions of space to gather data. They have flown past, orbited, and even plunged into Saturn's atmosphere, providing us with invaluable insights. Each mission teaches us more, adding pieces to the puzzle of Saturn's complex nature. Saturn is a complex and fascinating world, with a dynamic atmosphere and intriguing surface features. Saturn's rings are not solid, but rather a collection of countless particles. They are made up of countless particles, each one contributing to the overall structure. These particles range in size, from tiny grains to massive chunks. Some are as small as dust grains, barely visible to the naked eye. Others are as large as mountains, towering over the smaller particles. They are mostly made of ice, with some rock and dust mixed in. The rings are incredibly thin, almost impossibly so given their vast width. Although they are thousands of kilometers wide, they are only a few tens of meters thick, a remarkable contrast. Imagine a sheet of paper. Now imagine that sheet of paper stretched across the width of a city, maintaining its thinness. That is how thin Saturn's rings are, a delicate and intricate structure that continues to captivate us. Saturn's rings are not one solid structure. They are a mesmerizing collection of countless particles. They are made up of many individual rings, each with its own unique properties and characteristics. These rings are separated by gaps. Some gaps are small, barely noticeable. Others are huge, creating distinct divisions. The particles in the rings are constantly moving, creating a dynamic and ever-changing environment. They orbit Saturn at different speeds, sometimes colliding with each other in a cosmic dance. They bump into each other, causing ripples and waves within the rings. Gravity plays a key role in this celestial ballet. It acts like a shepherd, keeping the particles in line and maintaining the structure of the rings. We have given names to the most prominent rings, each with its own story. The names sound like something out of an alphabet soup: D, C, B, A, F, G, and E, each representing a different part of the ring system. The rings are not in alphabetical order, though. Their arrangement tells a tale of discovery. The order reflects when we discovered them, a timeline of human curiosity and exploration. Each ring has its own character, adding to the complexity and beauty of the system. Some are bright and dense, packed with particles. Others are faint and diffuse, almost ghostly in appearance. The rings are a dynamic system, constantly in motion and flux. They are constantly changing, although slowly evolving over time. Over millions of years they evolve, telling a story of cosmic history and transformation. How did Saturn get its rings? Scientists believe they formed from the remnants of shattered objects. Imagine a moon getting too close to Saturn. Saturn's gravity is powerful. It can rip a moon apart. Asteroids and comets can also be torn apart by Saturn's gravity. Over billions of years, this debris accumulated. It formed the rings we see today. The particles in the rings are the leftovers. They are the pieces of these ancient collisions. They continue to orbit Saturn, bound by its gravity. We see evidence of this process elsewhere in the solar system. Other gas giants like Jupiter, Uranus, and Neptune have rings too. Their rings are much fainter than Saturn's, but they formed in similar ways. Some people have a different theory. They believe Saturn's rings are not natural, but rather the product of something far more extraordinary. What if, they ask, the rings were created by intelligent beings? Could it be possible that an advanced civilization engineered these magnificent structures? Could they be an alien megastructure, a colossal project beyond our wildest dreams? It is a question that sparks our imagination and fuels endless speculation. The idea of alien megastructures is not new. Throughout history, humans have pondered the possibility of extraterrestrial engineering. It has been around for centuries, captivating the minds of astronomers and dreamers alike. But the scale of Saturn's rings is mind-boggling, stretching over 175,000 miles in diameter. To build something so vast would require technology far beyond our own, a feat of engineering that seems almost impossible. Those who believe in the artificial ring theory point to some intriguing facts, suggesting that the ring's characteristics are too precise to be natural. The rings are incredibly precise, with patterns that seem almost too perfect. The gaps between the rings are also very regular, adding to the mystery. Could this precision be a sign of intelligent design, a clue left by an advanced civilization? There is no scientific evidence to support this theory, and mainstream science remains skeptical. But it remains an interesting thought experiment, a way to stretch our minds and consider the possibilities. It reminds us that the universe is full of mysteries, waiting to be explored and understood.